Namaste बच्चों, myself JV Dr. Monica Trivedi. I am from Department of Science and Technology, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today we will discuss the galvanic and concentration cell corrosion. This topic includes in our applied chemistry third of diploma in engineering third trimester. When two dissymmetric metals like Zn and Cu are electrically connected and exposed to an electrolyte, the metal higher in an electrochemical series undergoes the corrosion. In this process, the more active metal acts as anode, while the less active metals act as a cathode. Okay. For example, the steel screws in a bars of a marine hardware and a steel propeller shift in a bronze bearing. The steel pipe connected to the copper plumbing. These are some example of galvanic corrosion. The mechanism of this process is in an acidic solution, the corrosion occurs by the hydrogen evolution process, while in a neutral or a slightly alkaline solution, oxygen absorption occurs. The electron current flows from the anode metal zinc to the cathode metal copper. So the reaction of oxidation is Zn conversion to Zn plus 2 electron removal. Thus, it is evident that the corrosion occurs at the anode metal, while the cathode part is promoted from the attack. The current flow from the anode to the cathode and the current flow from the cathode to anode. The current flow from the cathode from the anode to cathode is ionic conduction, and the current flow from the cathode to anode is electron conduction. So there is a difference between the current which is flow from the anode to cathode and cathode to anode. This is the diagram of galvanic corrosion where is a Zn solution is present here, NaCl solution here, and in which the Zn plus 2 is present, and the less oxygenated part of coated anode where the Zn gives the Zn plus 2 and 2 electron. This is the Zn road and the water line over here, and this sheet has the electron, and half O2 react with this water and give the 2 electron to give the 2 moles of OH negative. So this is the all assembly of the galvanic corrosion. The concentration cell corrosion, it is due to the electrochemical attack on a metal surface exposed to an electrolyte of varying the concentration or of varying the radiation. It is occurs when one part of the metal is exposed to different air concentration from the other parts. This causes a difference in a potential between differently erected areas. It has been found experimentally that the poor oxygenated parts are anode. For example, the metal part immersed in a water or in a conducting liquid is called as a water line corrosion. The metal part partially burned in a soil. For example, if a metal is partially immersed in a conducting solution, the metal part above the solution is more aerated and become cathodic. The metal part inside the solution is less aerated and thus become anode, and the surface corrosion occurs. Here at the anode, the corrosion occurs less aerated part, and where M converts into M plus 2 plus twice electron, and at the cathode OH ion are produced and this surface is more aerated, and where half mole of O2 plus twice mole plus 2H2 plus 2 electron, and it will give the twice mole of OH negative. This is the difference between chemical corrosion and electrochemical corrosion. The chemical corrosion is occur in a dry condition, but the electrochemical corrosion occur in the presence of the moisture or electrolyte. The chemical corrosion is due to the direct chemical attack of the metal by the environment, and the electrochemical corrosion is occurred due to the formation of a large number of anodic and cathodic area. The chemical corrosion is occur in even a homogeneous metal surface, and which is get corrosion, and the electrochemical corrosion occur in a heterogeneous surface. Okay, the chemical corrosion produced accumulated at the place of the corrosion, where the electrochemical corrosion occurred at the anode while the products are from elsewhere. The chemical corrosion, it is a safe controlled process, where the electrochemical corrosion, it is a continuous process. So this session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please comment on this video. I will resolve your query. Thank you very much.